All right, here we go. Just doing a quick drop test on the 243 Monarchs. We're sighted in at 0 at 100, and we're backing out to 200. See if there's any elevation change going on between 100 yards. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. All right, 200 yards, 243. These are Monarchs. From what I've found, I guess these are Academy Sporting Goods and stuff like that. Got the rifle zeroed in, checked it at 100 yards, and now we're backed out to 200, and we're just going to take a quick little 3-shot group and see what the elevation difference is. It's a very windy day. Again, like I said, one of these days I'm going to invest in a decent shooting rest, but we're keeping this as close to hunting conditions as possible. There we go. 200 yards, 243. Monarch ammunition. Shit. Camera just died. I'm not taking the time to change out the batteries. Yeah. Damn it. Get technical since that one hit above. I don't know, camera just did something funny, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm redoing all this again. Short version, real quick, since I already did the talk, just in case. Side zeroed in, that was my last shot. We're about a ½ inch above, but the crosshairs were staying right above the diamond. So I mean, that's pretty much right there. Then at 200 yards, we backed up. Boom, boom, boom. Looking, I mean, I would say maybe an inch and a half drop at 200 yards from 100 yards. I mean, technically with the margin of error and the wobble off that not so great rest. I mean, hell, it's still, because I know I've done with other ammunition, it's the same at 100 and 200. But here you go, if you're wondering, 100 yards, 200 yards with the Monarch ammunition. Not too bad.